Hello and good morning friends to all my little friends. As you all know that we were discussing about our last chapter, that is square and square root. Now we are proceeding further for our next chapter, that is cube and cube root. It is quite similar to what we have learned in square and square root. There is a difference, but somewhat similarity, the pattern or the methods which we have learned in square and square root. So first of all, I would like to ask a question: what is cube? Okay, so we will discuss what is cube, and then we will proceed further for the next step. So as you all know, in the introductory part, you will find that we have already learned square root. So what was square root? If a number is multiplied with itself, if a number is multiplied with itself twice, two times, the result or the product obtained is called the square of the given number. Clear? Same way, if we multiply any natural number, any natural number होना जरूरी है, natural number 3 times. How many times? 3 times. So thrice. Okay. The product what we obtain is called the cube of that number. So we will just write down what is a cube. As introductory part, we know that when we multiply, okay, when we multiply a number by itself, खुद से, how many times? Twice. Then the product obtained is called or known as square of that number. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 2, we are getting 2 square, and that will be 4. So 4 is square. Okay, same way 3 times if we multiply. So we have to learn that similarly, if a number is multiplied by itself, how many times? 3 times. Okay, 3 times, we get cube of that number. उस नंबर का क्यूब मिलेगा. इसका भी एग्जांपल. Okay, so example given to us, suppose वो number है 5. Example, suppose that number is 5. So 5 into 5 into 5, we will get 5 raised to 3 power form. At power form में 3 power is there, then it is known as cube. अगर 2 power है तो we used to say 5 square. Now here it is 3 power, so y cube. Okay, and that will be 125. So this is cube of 5. Clear till here, everyone? Okay. Now we proceed further. Something more for it. Symbolic form of cube root. Something quite similar to square root. अब square root होता था ना, so we used to write like this, a symbolic form of. If I do like this, so it is a square root, but I have to put 3 over here. Then it will be symbol of cube root. It is denoted as cube root. Clear? We will take another thing, that what is perfect cube. क्यूब तो बन गए, बट परफेक्ट क्यूब क्या? व्हाट इज अ परफेक्ट क्यूब? दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. परफेक्ट क्यूब क्या होता है? दैट मीन्स अ नेचुरल number is said to be a perfect cube if it is the cube of a natural number. Will you explain this, sir? Yes. Suppose a natural number is said to be, any natural number is said to be a perfect cube. कब बोल सकते हैं इसको? When it is a cube of a natural number only. अगर डेसिमल पॉइंट में अगर नंबर दिया है, then it is not a cube. Clear? परफेक्ट क्यूब नहीं बदला पाएंगे बिकॉज योर डेसिमल पॉइंट वाला दिया हुआ है. नेचुरल नंबर भी वो पूरा कंप्लीट होना चाहिए. क्लियर? फ्रैक्शन भी, रेशनल फॉर्म भी हो सकता है, बट वो जो नंबर है, पर्टिकुलर नंबर, वो फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म नहीं होना चाहिए, डेसिमल नहीं होना चाहिए. इट शुड बी ए परफेक्ट नेचुरल नंबर ही होना चाहिए. अ नेचुरल नंबर इज सेड टू बी अ परफेक्ट क्यूब इफ इट इज अ क्यूब ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर ओनली. कुछ एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं. Suppose 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1, that will be 1. If I take 2 cube, so 2 into 2 into 2, that will be 2 to the 4 to the 8. If I take 3 cube, that is 3 into 3 into 3, it will be 27. If I take 4 cube, so 4 into 4 into 4, that will be 64. So these are the cubes, and how can I say it is a perfect cube? Because the cube root or the number which I have taken to make the cube, these numbers, clear, are also natural number. This is also natural number, and this given natural number is said to be a perfect cube when the numbers are also natural. Concept clear? So here my cubes are 1, 8, 27, 64 are cubes of the given number. ठीक है? Clear? Now in the next lecture we will proceed with cube of 1 to 10. वो भी जानना जरूरी है. We must understand that 1 to 10 cube. So shall we proceed? बढ़ते हैं. Let me erase it. These all are cube and perfect cube भी कहेंगे इसको. Perfect cube. Okay? Now we will learn about cubes of first 10 नेचुरल numbers. पहले 10 नेचुरल नंबर का. Okay, so we can frame a table also. Number, सपोज हम मानते हैं a नंबर है या x है, then cube also the result what we obtained or the product. ये बन जाएंगे क्यूब्स. Clear? Now 1 cube. That means 1 into 1 into 1. That will be 1. 2 cube, 3 cube, 4, 5 cube, 6 cube, 7 cube, 8 cube, 9 cube. Okay? So 2 into 2 into 2, that will be 8. So 3 cube, 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. Here 4 into 4 into 4, that will be 64. Then 5 into 5 into 5, that will be 125. Likewise 6 into 6 into 6, 216. Same way 7 into 7 into 7, 343. 8 into 8 into 8, 512. And 9 into 9 into 9, 729. We can take 10 भी ले सकते हैं. 10 cube means 10 into 10 into 10, that will be 1000. So we will learn something from this table also in the next lecture. Clear? God bless you all. See you till here. Please by heart this will be very fruitful to you. Okay, we will continue with this.